Introducing Digiffects, the digital sound effects library with more than 3,500 sounds. True 3D sounds, digitally recorded, digitally edited, and digitally mastered. Digiffects contains clean, crystal clear sounds, the broadest spectrum of sound effects you'll ever find. Digiffects sounds as real life. Digiffects has the best searching system available. You'll find the perfect sound in seconds. Digiffects has 10 different categories, from city to rural, from human to special. Plus, the cross-section category contains lengthy atmosphere effects. Get your exact sound and cut your production time in half. Choose Digiffects, the digital sound effects library with the full spectrum of sounds.
Distributed by Sound Ideas.